Hello, dear traders. This is Anthony from bullandbear.com, and today we're going to have the second educational session of our professional binary options trading course, during which we're going to explore all aspects of the Bull and Bear's professional trading platform. If you remember, during the first session, we have explored all aspects of our website. I gave you a very professional site tour during which I explained all aspects of the website, all menus, and the variety of professional trading tools which are integrated within our website. And now it's just about time we switch to the core aspect of binary options trading, which is the professional trading platform, which you will trade binary options with Bull and Bear. So in order to access the trading platform, you need to click on the trading room. Once clicking the trading room, the login menu is going to immediately pop up. So you just simply need to fill your credentials here and press login, and you access to your trading account. As you can see, currently I'm having around $26,000 on my trading account, and I do confess to the fact that this week was quite abundant, all right, with important economic events. And to tell you the truth, the market has definitely brought lots of great opportunities to me and to all of my traders. So I am quite happy with those achievements which I have made recently on these markets. Especially the market was very heavy on the events in the US and on the New Zealand events, Australian events. So the market really had a variety of important developments happening on all parts of the globe, right, throughout the all markets. So next week is also going to bring lots of important events. So let's hope that the current wave of positivity which has been recently prevailing on the market is going to continue into next week as well. So as you can see, the trading binary options is really very simple. To tell you the truth, binary options are considered much more simple assets than many other forms of trading available on the global markets. For those of you who know how to trade forex, who have some trading experience of forex behind their backs, it goes without saying that forex is quite risky asset to trade. You know yourself, right, that when you're trading forex, your profits are never certain, and the profits are greatly dependent on the extent and the magnitude of the movement. While in binary options, it doesn't really matter for how much your asset goes up or goes down. Even a small movement of the price is more than enough for your position to be in the money, and the process of trading binary options is much more simple in comparison to trading forex or trading conventional stocks, or to even trading classical options. So I highly recommend to all of you who have the experience of trading forex or any other conventional assets behind their backs to explore the exciting world of binary options and to understand how this simplicity is contributing to helping you gain really great profits. So the process of trading binary options can be described in three simple steps. First, you choose the asset, which you can choose from four target markets, which is the forex market, where you can trade a variety of currency pairs, which is the commodity market, where you have a lot of commodities to trade, the indices market, where you can pick up from the selection of world market indices, the stock market, where you can see a great variety of British, American, and European stocks and worldwide stocks as well. So explore all these assets. We have around 100 plus assets to trade for you, and also the bond futures market. To tell you the truth, for those traders who are starting their first steps, who are taking their first steps in trading in general, I don't recommend to trade anything except forex and commodities. Because, for example, trading indices and trading stocks can be a little bit tricky, because the way how you analyze this market is greatly different from the way how you analyze currencies and commodities. They're more fundamentally driven assets. And for example, when you're trading stocks, you need to explore and analyze the value of a particular company to understand which direction its policy is heading, and to follow those releases and developments which are coming from the particular company. So it can be quite tricky. The conventional and traditional ways of analysis might simply not work with the stock market. So for beginner traders, for those who are starting their first steps, as I have mentioned, I highly recommend to concentrate trading forex and trading commodity market. Also, out of commodities, I would like to give you a couple of picks: gold and silver. These two assets, as you can see, let's click on the candlestick chart, are moving completely in the same direction. For example, if you have a look at the value of gold, you can see that currently it's almost flat. But you can see that here was a decline. You see the market was under heavy selling pressure for some time, right? And here it has suddenly faced reversal, and here it was in a free fall for some time, right? Just a sudden decline. Look at this candle, it's really huge. So something definitely precipitated this fall, might have been driven by something fundamental. Anyway, currently, let's have a look at the value of gold. Sorry, that was silver. I do apologize, but let's currently have a look at the value of gold. And you can see almost the same picture: decline, reversal, sudden plump, and then a reversal happening again. So it goes without saying, and it doesn't take a genius to notice that the value of gold and silver are highly correlated. These assets simply move in the same direction, and there is no any particular condition of the market which can change it to the opposite. There is no force on the financial market which can reverse the law of correlation between gold and silver. These two assets are always, under any circumstances, moving in the same direction. So for beginner traders, for those who are yet not much aware about the professional way of market analysis, I highly recommend to concentrate on gold and silver, because this correlation can greatly help you to increase your profits in the future. So let's try to explore the very process of trading binary options. As I have mentioned at the beginning of my previous session, the trading binary options in bull and bear can be classified in 3 simple steps. First, you choose the asset. Let's say we are choosing the Euro USD. And as you can see, currently the value of the Euro USD is going down. You see here it's meeting so-called double top pattern, and here the reversal is very likely, and you see that's exactly happening. And that's it, right? Very likely it's going to keep dropping. But here there is also a bit of the trend line, so there is no guarantee, of course, it's going to be dropping. But in general, this kind of double top pattern is definitely suggesting the possibility of further decline. Anyway, first thing, you choose the asset, right? And we have already chosen the Euro USD. Then you choose the time frame. What is the time frame? The time frame is a general duration of your trade. And in short-term trading, you can choose from 60 seconds, which I don't recommend for beginners, because this type of time frame is intended to be used only by very professional traders, because the market volatility is much higher on short time frames. And here you see 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and also 1 hour. I highly recommend for beginner traders to trade minimum 5 minutes, with the recommended time frame being 15 minutes. So if you don't want to trade the long-term trading, which you can access from this section of the trading platform, which allows you not only choose up to 1 hour time frame, but which can allow you to choose a particular date of the expiry with a particular time of the expiry, which you can extend all the way up to the end of the day. I recommend you to trade 15 minutes time frame. So let's review and double check everything again. You choose the asset, you choose the time frame, you put the investment amount, which let's say we put $500, and you choose a direction. As you can see, when you choose call option, the value of the asset is expected to go up, and there is even an error which is indicating the direction which you are choosing, so you can never make a mistake. If you believe it's going to go up, you choose a call option. If you believe it's going to go down, you choose a put option. The withdrawal amount is indicating your profit, which you're going to make in case of successful expiry of the position. Let's explore this aspect in a little bit more detail. As you can see, this figure, 86%, this is your profit. So your current investment being $500 and your withdrawal being $930, meaning that your net profit for the position is going to be $430. Why it's written like 930? Because when you open the position, you are reserving a particular part of your account to the market. You're making a market order, all right? And these $500 are being temporarily, until the expiry of position, taken out of your account. But in case of successful expiry of the position, you're going to get your initial investment plus the amount of profit which you're going to make. So in case of successfully opening the position, your net profit, in case of successful expiry of the position, your net profit is going to be $430, which is 500 your initial investment and 430 the profit. So what conditions should be met for the position to be in the money? It's very easy. The rate at the expiry time should simply be higher than the entry rate. For example, if currently we choose 60 seconds, as you can see, the entry rate of the position of our position would be 1.12618 if I currently press trade. And if, let's say, in next 60 seconds, the value of the position would be lower in case of put, or higher in case of call, then I'm going to make $430 net profit just in a matter of 1 minute. So no any other form of trading, like Forex, like traditional stock trading, or even traditional options, can give you the privilege of gaining that much profit in such a short period of time. So I highly recommend to start trading binary options to those people, to those traders who even have experience in trading, because Forex trading is full of risk, to be honest with you, right? I also have lots of experience in trading Forex, and I've been trading Forex for over 6 years, and I've been having ups and downs. But after switching to trading binary options after switching to putting my skills to educating my traders with in the binary option market, I have realized the great opportunities which this market can bring to traders. That's why I highly recommend binary options to all those traders who have tried the more traditional ways of trading but who have never tried this new and exciting trading activity before. So as you can see, trading binary options is very simple, right? Let's have a look here today. For example, I made quite a big number of trades. You see the last 3 of them I have lost, all right? But the overwhelming majority of trades have expired successfully. You see lots of them have successful expiry. Most of the trades I have opened with $500, right? And you see that the net profit for them is very similar because we're having an average percentage of profits and average return rate of around 80-85%, right? For example, for some assets it can be 75%, but in general the average is around 80-85%. So no any other asset and no any other type of trading can grant you this kind of profit as binary options. Here, as you can see, there are some configurations to allow for further customization of the platform. For example, we have different type of charts. This is the area type of chart, and this is the line type of chart. And this is the candlestick chart, the one which we have been exploring all this time. And to tell you the truth, the candlestick chart is the most important and the most useful type of chart because these candles give extremely valuable information, and reading the candlestick can provide you with much more detailed information than any other types of chart. But this is going to be the topic of our next course, during which we're going to explore the details of the candlestick chart and learn how to read the candlestick. Here, as you can see, there is OHLC chart. I highly don't recommend it, all right, because this is something which is quite tricky. And here you can see you can change the color of the platform. This is totally useless, all right. And here we have some technical indicators which you can add an overlay to the platform. I know that for those of you who've not been doing any trading before, these names don't give much of the meaning, all right? But I do believe that after you have made your first session with one of our professional analysts, or even maybe with me, because I'm also running professional courses for traders, it will not take time for you to it will not take much time for you to understand how all this works, because this is really exciting and interesting. For example, look, the Bollinger Bands is one of the most popular and easiest indicators. We simply press add. Here is the configuration. We're going to leave it on default period. We're pressing OK, and as you can see, there are 2 bands which are overlapping the chart, and the upper band is indicating that the market is being overbought and that it should decline, and the lower band is indicating that it's oversold and it should reverse its direction. But this is a very superficial explanation, right? This is simply on the surface. So during the next sessions, which are going to be dedicated to the technical market analysis, we're going to explore all these indicators in a great detail. So as you can see, everything is very straightforward here. All right, and finally, I would like to show you the last thing about our trading platform is your personal account management tool, all right, which you can click here. You simply click on deposit. Here you can see the deposit form where you can fill all details, and you put your credit card holder name, put amount to deposit, put a credit card number, credit card expiration, CVV code, and fill all your details and press deposit. The same process goes for the withdrawal. You just simply, if you're willing to withdraw some money, once you've made some profit, you can click here on the amount to withdraw, put here a specific amount, do the same, your first name, your last name, put your address, your postal code, your city, your phone number, and press withdraw. And your withdrawal request will be immediately sent to our banking department. As you know, the withdrawal process usually takes up to 5 business days. Usually it's going 3 to 5 business days, and in some very rare cases it might extend up to 10 business days, but I can assure you, and please rest assured, that the usual withdrawal process is taking not more than 5 business days. So whenever you're having any questions regarding withdrawals, you can always click on the live chat or go to the contact page and ask all questions to understand how the entire process goes. And here, as you can see, there is your trade history, where you can see the history of all your trades. Okay, and as you can see, everything is very easy here. You can see how much money you have made, how much money you have lost. So this can also greatly help you to calculate the profit percentage and the percentage of hits which you're making. You know that you need to make at least 60% of successful trades for you to be in the money, for the account balance to keep increasing. And that's why this tool can also greatly help you to adjust and to configure your trading process to make it more profitable, to understand which assets are more profitable, which assets are less profitable for you, so it can greatly help you to lead your personal trader diary. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you for watching the video, and see you during the next video, which is going to be dedicated to the professional trading of with technical analysis.